How to delete all videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. So without any further ado, let's jump into this video. First of all, you have to launch the TikTok application and make sure to log in with your TikTok account. Now once you're logged in, you have to navigate to your profile page in order to view your TikTok. For that, tap in your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now under your profile, there you'll be able to view your video. Now if you would like to delete the video individually, there you will have a direct option. So for that, tap on your video and then tap on this three dots icon. Now if you swipe this menu bar to your left, there at the bottom is an delete option. You can simply tap on delete and then delete this video. But if you like to delete all your videos at once, you will not have direct option to do that. For that, you will have to request to TikTok Service Center. So in order to do that, tap on the three line icon from the top right corner. And from here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down a bit and then go to Report a Problem. Then tap on Account and Profile. Here scroll down a bit, there you will have an option as chat with us. You can either go with that and chat with the TikTok Service Center, or you can simply report a problem. From here, tap on profile page, scroll down a bit and then tap on other. Again scroll down a bit and then tap on need more help. So that's simply gonna take you to help text again. So from here you can simply chat with the TikTok help text, and that's gonna help you to delete all your videos on TikTok at once. So that's the way to delete all the videos on TikTok, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video.